0.1 times 0.1. Look, to multiply this factor with this power of 10. 0.1 is a power of 10 actually. Look, 10, 10, 100, 1000, this is power of 10 and these are greater than 1. And 0 0.1, 0 0.01, 0.001, these are also power of 10, but these these are less than 1. 0.1 means 1 over 10, 0.01 means 1 over 100, and 0.001 1 over 1000. So to multiply this factor with this, just count the number of places in the power of 10. In this power of 10, the number of places is 1. So decimal point in this factor will move from right to left 1 places. That is here. Decimal point will move to here. So your answer is 0.01. You can also place here another 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. So 0.01 is your answer. Look, actually this multiplication means division. If you change this power of 10 as fraction, what will happen? Look, write the number you are getting, ignoring decimal, you are getting 1, and for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10. Since one digit we have write 10. Now multiply top number together, 0.1, then bottom number. Okay, so divide this decimal number by 10. This 10 is a power of 10. Just count the number of 0 and move decimal point from right to left 1 digit. That is here 0.01. 0.01 means 0.01, and this is the answer.